Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. That's the only thing I need from you. And I say thanks to every of my returning subscriber. I hope you find value for your time. This strategy that I would like to show you today is meant for METATRADER4 and not METATRADER5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is a simple strategy that if you trade it very well and follow the simple rule, you will be profitable. You can use this alone or add this to your trading tools. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. And before you take any trade, make sure you do check Forex Factory or any news aggregator to see if there's any news for that particular pairs that you want to trade at that particular time. It is important that you stay away from that pairs 30 minutes before the news and probably 30 minutes after the news before you take your trade if you are not going to trade the news. This is how I use this particular strategy. Just follow me closely as I show you how to use this Forex indicator. This particular indicators or strategy can be used on any pair you want to trade. You can use it on any pair you want to trade at all. You can use it on any pairs on Forex. You can use it on Euro, Japanese yen, any pairs there. You can use it on gold. You can use it on crypto, the US stock equity index, then just like a US 30, US 100 spot oil. So you can use it on any things you want to use it on, provided it's available on METATRADER4 on your broker. And I have a link in my video description to one of the brokers that I use. They have fast execution. I do not have issue with them. Make sure you check it out. Now let's move on. Now this particular strategy, as I said, can be used on any pairs you want to trade, and I've combined just few indicators together. This is like 4 indicators to come up with this Forex strategy. And number 1 indicator I have here is MACD. The first indicator I have here is MACD on the indicator window, and this is stochastic that do come with the platform by default. Then I have this semaphore indicator and this MA trend indicator also. So in total I have 4 indicators on my chart. Now this is how I use this particular strategy. This number 3 here to my right hand side here from semaphore indicator, you must look out for that first. The reason is this: semaphore do repaint or recalculate, but it is a good indicator. The fact that it repaint doesn't mean it's useless. It is actually very useful. The reason is this: anytime it shows up, if you are in a buy market before, it is time for you to secure part of your profit or to get out of that particular trade and start looking for a setup for a set trade. And if you are in a set trade and see this number 3 under like this, like we have it here, then the rest assured that it is time for you to get out of your set trade and start looking out for a sell, buy setup rather. So this is how I use this. And once you have this semaphore indicator as I have it here, then look out for the MACD indicator here, and at this point it turns to red also for a sell. And I have a stochastic indicator coming from the overbought zone. So this is a good setup. And the last indicator here, I have like a 1 minute to 4 hours, giving me a red color, this is a sell signal here. So all the indicators are in agreement for this particular PS, which is Euro USD. I'm on 15 minutes right now, and that was why I placed this particular trade. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you can trail your profit as you want. And this is how to use this particular strategy. It is very useful and effective. And the number 2 on the semaphore indicator is just a continuation. For instance, if I enter a buy trade here and I see this number 2, I will get out of the market and wait for another number 2 here in direction of this particular theory, because we have theory pointing up. This is theory white color for a buy, and I have this already giving me a confirmation that the uptrend will resume. So at this particular point also, you can place your trade. You do not need to wait for MACD here at this particular point. Use your stochastic and this number 2, probably confirm it with this particular indicator and write on. And when you see number 2 again, try to get out of the trade. This is over bought zone already, and when you see another number 2, then you can place another trade until you see number 3 so that you can leave the trade finally. So this is how I use this particular indicator or strategy. The download link to all the indicators I use on this particular strategy is in the video description. The download link is it, and I do include my template. But if you want to know the setting that I use for this particular indicator, you can check it out after you downloaded it. But if you use my template, you are going to have the same setting like mine. These are the values that I use, but I do not want to go over the value. I want to keep the video short so that I won't spend time explaining this to you, so that I'll be able to go on with my trade. I just have to show you this so you can use it along with me. So this is all the indicator I use, and you can check the setting when you download the indicator. Make sure you download it. It is free. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.